officer is Captain Brian Powell. Navigators are Sammy Mano and Justin McCullough. The engineer is Technical Sergeant Chad Williamson. Loadies are Master Sergeant Johnny Montgomery and Sergeant Christopher Adams. Aircraft number 2 is piloted by Captain Charles Romoski. First officers, First Lieutenant Jeremy Spikes. Navigators, First Lieutenant Jason Dent. Flight engineers, Sergeant Daniel Glover. Not the Daniel Glover, just a Daniel Glover. Loadmasters are Kyle Nagamatsu, Christopher Brown, and Justin Nettles. Aircraft number 3 is captained by Captain Stephen Morenos. First officers are First Lieutenant Colin Starkey and Captain Ben Smith. Navigators, Captain Mark Wicker. Flight engineer is Sergeant Joseph Clinkscales. Loadies on that aircraft are Jacob Gardner and Leonard Grantham. Coming up in aircraft number 4, the pilot is Major Justin Kershaw. His first officer is First Lieutenant Jason Sweet. Navigators, Lieutenant Colonel Emery Dewitt. Flight engineers, Master Sergeant Joel Clark. Loadies are Master Sergeant Anthony Lewis and Senior Airman Brandon Morissette. So those are all your local people that are flying these aircraft for you here today.
And you know they've got family here, ladies and gentlemen, so make some noise, show some pride for those working right here.
Now, Rick, the mission of the 357th Airlift Squadron is a tactical airlift. They've got 9 aircraft based here.
So, the air support mission by the F-16 DeVos. Lieutenant Colonel Mike Ginn, Squadron Commander, and other jet, Colonel Randy F.